Dun dun na 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 na. Hi, I'm Gander. Welcome to Cooking with Gander. Today we're making cookies. Oh, I gotta get the phone. Oh, yep. Hi, Nugget. Do you wanna come bake cookies with me? Yeah, dude. Hey, camera. Why do we make cookies? Let's go. Okay. Yeah. So now we're gonna. These are what we to make this thing. Where were you? In the washing machine. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Cool, right? Yeah. That's super cool. Oh, this is a crimson right there. Wait, what? This is crimson. Anyway. Okay, so what you'll need to make it is baking cocoa, baking powder, flour, sugar, oil, bananas, chocolate chips, salt. Yeah, it's salt. Hey, bro, that was so fun being that crocodile. Wow. Yeah. We got these two things out of it. Yeah. And this is an apple. And this is a carrot. Yeah, so we are gonna pour the baking soda into the flour. Salt. And then salt. Yeah. So now we're gonna pour every 4 of these ones into the pot. And just in case you can't see, they know. Yep, they don't. No. Looks yummy. That looks satisfying. Same. Oh, actually that looks cool. This actually looks disgusting. Just in case you don't know, it looks disgusting. Yep, and it's really. Yep. Oh, that was not satisfying. That looks good. No, it does not. Well, yeah, and no, not really. Yeah. Once the ingredients are nice and smooth, add the flour. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Once it's mixed, bake it for 350 degrees and put it in for 8 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to taste that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. Yeah, that. Yeah, you. Nobody heard that. Oh. Dun dun na 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 na. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm Gander. No. Guys, I'm Gander. Gotta get the phone real quick. Well, but today we're making cookies. Oh, hi, Nugget. What? Hey guys, Hi, I'm Gander, in case you don't know. Why do I? Hey, that was so much fun being in that crocodile's mouth. Yeah, dude. And we got these 2 things out of it. This is a carrot, and that's an apple. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah, I was gonna say. Let's not go to cut. I was gonna. So now Nugget is gonna pour the baking soda in. No, I'm gonna do the stir. Nugget is going to pour the baking soda and salt into the flour and mix it. Yeah, dude. Yeah. That's it. What? Well, that's for later in the video, so. So now we can't. ones in this. Wait, how about we just do